I grew up reading Snow White's tales, and I'm proud to introduce you to the Snow White Daiquiri. Okay, watch this. Rum, daiquiris are real simple, okay? And they're not like the traditional daiquiri is not like a strawberry daiquiri. It's one of these, a little lime juice, simple syrup. Okay, that would be done there with a regular daiquiri, but we added some pineapple juice and some egg white. Don't panic about the egg white. Eggs go in there to give us a little bit more consistency, a little bit of froth. Okay, we shake without ice first. That gets the eggs to foam up. Drop an ice cube, and now we chill, okay? So whenever you use eggs, you always shake twice, pour it in, and watch the foam. We can get a nice little foam thing on top. Look at that. Look at the foam, but we're not done yet. Then we grate on some lime zest just to sexify. Look at that bad boy. And there you have it, homeboy. Oh yeah. Okay? The Snow White, I don't know what the hell this have to do with Snow White, but maybe she used to drink these. Maybe that's why she passed out. She had too many days. Stay tipsy.